In this video, I'll demonstrate how phishing works using a Kali Linux tool called Zphisher. Zphisher is an open source phishing tool that offers a wide range of templates that can be customized to suit the hacker's need when it comes to phishing campaigns. Zphisher provides a web-based interface that allows attackers to create and host phishing pages on a web server that they can control. These pages can be designed to mimic legitimate websites such as social media platforms, streaming services, or even email providers. Once the phishing email has been set up, attackers can send emails or messages containing links or fake pages. When the victim clicks on the links and enters their login credentials or other sensitive information, Zphisher captures it and stores it in the attacker's server. So disclaimer, all information, techniques, and tools described in this video are for educational purposes. I'll jump to my Kali Linux machine and then we can install the Zphisher tool. So on my Kali Linux operating system, I have a folder called tools whereby I install my tools here that I download from the internet. So you can create a directory to save your tools if you would like that. So I'm going to open my browser. Open your browser and search for the Zphisher tool. Then we are going to go to this GitHub link. We are going to download it straight from their GitHub repository. So on their GitHub repository, we have the tool here. We are going to come here where we have this green button. So I'm going to click that button. Then I'll copy this link. I'll jump to my terminal. Then I'm going to say git clone. Then I'm going to paste that particular URL there. So our tool is done downloading. So I'm going to say ls. Then we have the Zphisher tool. I'm going to navigate to that directory. Then ls, then you can see we have our files here. I'm going to execute this particular zphisher.sh file because it's the executable file that we are supposed to run so that we can be able to. So I'm going to say sudo bash, then Zphisher, enter. I'll wait for it to set up. Then we'll be presented by this menu whereby you can select up to 35 templates that we'd like to use. So for this, I might go with Facebook. So I'm going to say 1. Then we have option traditional login page, advanced voting poll, fake security login page, or Facebook message login page. So I'm going to choose option 3, fake security login page, or we can go with option 1 first. Then for the select forwarding services, I'm going to pick option 2. Then custom port, no. Then do you want to change the URL mask? Okay, you can say yes. Then I'm going to say, we'll see if it will be able to generate that custom link. I had challenges generating custom links. Hope this time it generates that custom link. And we have been presented by 2 links. We have this link and this other one here. So maybe I'm going to copy this one. Then you can see it's a Facebook page. So I'm going to provide my email address. So I'm going to say, then I'm going to click login. So then I'm not going to save that. For a normal person, he or she won't be able to notice what has happened, but right now the Zphisher has been able to capture our credentials. Then it has redirected us to the Find My Account page, which is a legitimate Facebook page, so that you don't become suspicious of what has happened. If I go back to my terminal, okay, you can see we have a victim found. We have an IP address here, and then we have their credentials here, whereby we have the username or the email and the password that user entered. Then we are being told that all of these have been saved in the auth/user. And then the IP addresses have been saved in the auth/ip.txt. So I'm going to cancel that program. Then I'll navigate to the location of this particular auth folder. So I'm going to say ls. Then we have this folder here called auth. So cd auth. then ls, then you can see we have ip.txt and username.dat. So let me cut the username. Then you can see it's telling me the website. We have the username or our email, and then we have our password. So that's how hackers generate phishing links using Zphisher tool. We are going to try another template. I want to try the maybe Instagram template. So I'm going to say option 2. Then it's telling us traditional login page, auto followers login page, 1000 followers login page, and then we have blue badge verification login page. So a lot of people are usually interested with the blue badges. So maybe I can pick option 4. Then for the port forwarding service, I'm going to say option 2. Then I don't want a custom port. Then for the mask URL, yes, I want that. Then it will generate these 2 links. We have this link and the third link. Don't know if the third link it's going to work this time, so I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to say copy selection. We can open our browser. Maybe I can open a new tab. Then I'll paste that link there. Then enter. Okay, so that one doesn't work. We can use the first link, but for the first link, you are going to need something like a URL shortener so that the link doesn't seem suspicious. So we are going to use the first link, and it's going to bring us to this page. So verified badges. Okay, this one is a bit suspicious. We don't have an image here, but it's okay. We are going to say apply now. Then it will ask us for our username and password. Then we need to give our date of birth here. Okay, it's assuming that it's 2020. So I'm going to give my username. Then I'm going to say submit. So after submitting, it should redirect me to a different page. Okay, it's telling me email confirmation. In order to have a verified badge, you need to confirm your email. After email confirmation, your application will evaluate within 24 hours and you'll return to this page. So confirm email. So it's also collecting my email. And I can provide my email password. Not going to save them. Your application has been successfully received. It will be reviewed within 24 hours. So if I go back to my tool, the only giveaway was that particular image not being there. So it's not that perfect. But if you go back, we have been able to capture some credentials. So I'm going to close the program. So Control C. Then we'll navigate to the auth directory where we have seen it's where the credentials are being stored. Then I'm going to say ls. Then we have IP addresses where our IP addresses are being stored. Then we have users. So I'm going to say cat users.dat. Then you can see we got the Instagram password, and we also got our email and the email password. This was from the earlier practical whereby we managed to capture the Facebook credential. So that is Zphisher. It's a very simple tool that is used to generate phishing links. I know there are advanced tools that are used to generate phishing links. So for this practical, I just wanted to show you how those phishing links are generated using tools.